Want to live to 100? These science-backed supplements might be your secret weapon. Top 3 supplements every longevity expert takes daily. First up, NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide. This compound is a precursor to NAD+, an essential molecule for energy production in our cells. As we age, NAD+ levels decline, impacting cellular function and energy. Supplementing with NMN may help restore these levels, supporting cellular health and longevity. While human studies are ongoing, animal research has shown promising results in enhancing mitochondrial function and promoting healthy aging. Next, vitamin D3, often dubbed the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for bone health, immune function, and may play a role in cellular aging. A study from the VITAL trial indicated that daily supplementation of 2000 IU of vitamin D3 could slow biological aging by preserving telomere length, the protective caps on our DNA strands. Maintaining optimal vitamin D levels is essential, especially as deficiency is common and linked to various age-related diseases. Finally, omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, are vital for heart and brain health. They combat inflammation, support cognitive function, and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Despite their importance, many people don't get enough through diet alone. Supplements can bridge this gap, ensuring your body gets the support it needs for healthy aging. To recap, the top 3 supplements longevity experts often recommend are NMN for cellular energy and repair, vitamin D3 for bone health and potential anti-aging effects, omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain support. Remember, while supplements can support health, they work best alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. Comment below on which supplements you take or plan to add to your routine.